microwave mug cake. Surprise you. So quick, soft, milky, warm and fluffy. The best part, no oven needed. Just your butter, your mug and your microwave. That is all. And I bet you this is going to blow your mind. Hello cookie vloggers, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So for this recipe, I'm starting with flour, sugar, milk, flavor, margarine and baking powder, and I'm not leaving out a mug. So these are basically all what I'll be needing for this recipe. Very simple, even your 5-year-old can make it. Let's go. So we are using melted margarine for this recipe. You have butter, you can also use it. First thing first, let's melt our margarine. Into the oven went in the margarine. You can see that tiny little hand. Baby girl is in the kitchen helping mom, and that's nice, guys. 20 seconds later, the margarine is all melted. Now it's time to take it out from the microwave.
Taste the cheer, cooking joy together, the love is always here. Smiles on the faces, hearts open wide. This is where the...
Now to begin, we have to sieve our flour. This cannot be overemphasized. By now you should know why sieving of flour is very good. So this is 1 minute and 34 seconds into this video, and you are here to like. Why now? Today Vlogmas day 2. Please show me some love by liking. Don't forget to leave a comment for me. Share this video to someone that will need this very easy recipe for this Christmas holiday. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. Please hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free of charge, and turn on the bell notification so you can always get posts from this channel. So with that being said, let's continue with our video.
To the world, flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more, yeah.
So after sifting, measure the quantity you want into a bowl. Measure in some sugar into it. Do not worry, I'm going to be leaving the measurements in the comments below. So this recipe is very simple. This particular cake making process is actually the simplest I've seen. Measure everything you'll be needing into a bowl. You can start with your dried ingredients just as I'm doing. After measuring everything, you now go in with your wet ingredients. That same simple logic we all know, right? Then you tone. You must tone. Tone. You literally need to mix everything to be well combined.
Vlogs and lots more, yeah, that's what we're for, yeah. Cooking vlogs and lots more, yeah. Taste the joy, feel the love, yeah. From Nigeria to the world.
So while mixing, you can now start adding your water little by little. You don't want this cake to be too thick. Remember, we are aiming for a fluffy cake, and at the same time, you don't want it to be too watery. But if you prefer your own thick, or you prefer it very light, ball is actually in your court. Just add your liquid according to your desired consistency. But for me, guys, this consistency right here is actually the best for me.
Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core. From your...
So after mixing everything, just grease your pan, your mug. Place it directly into your microwave. One thing I love about this recipe is that you don't have to preheat your microwave, unlike the oven method. So you see this one I took into the microwave. You know baby girl is in the kitchen helping. This time she has been shouting I want to eat cake. I said okay, let me put one into the microwave. At least where they work, me will first chop them to see how it tastes. That's how this one came out, so fluffy, milky and sweet. We just ate that one offline. Now we are prepared for the main deal. We don't chop now. Trends don't come. So I poured in the batter bit by bit. Do not forget to grease your mug. And when pouring in your butter, the measurement of the butter should be at least half of the mug, because we don't want to spill over at the oven. I mean in the microwave.
Cooking joy together, the love is always here. Smiles on the faces, hearts open wide. This is where the flavors and the family collide. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core. From Nigeria to the world, flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs.
After 1 minute, this is what we have. So I added raisin in one of the cups and I left the other plain. So just in seconds, you've made yourself a soft, warm and fluffy cake without stress. So I decided to package this because baby girl is going to take some to school. You see, this recipe has bettered so many ideas. For a mom that usually don't like buying things around for your children, it's one of the easiest snacks you can also make for your children to school. You can also start up a business with this. And of course, you know this is a Christmas season. For you that don't have that strength to start making plenty things, this is one idea for you. Now you can also use a big breakable plate that is microwave friendly to make this recipe and cut it into smaller parts. This will keep your guests happy. Those children that will come and knock at your door for Christmas. And again, if you are on a budget and your child's birthday is coming, you thinking what I'm thinking, just make this, whip it up with buttercream, and voila, your birthday cake will be ready in no time. So whenever you want a quick dessert and the oven isn't available, try this microwave mug cake. And don't forget to come and tell me thank you. Now for you that is asking, what if I don't have a microwave? Very simple now. You have a pot and it's also going to do the work perfectly. If you are still watching till this time, and if this is something you love, comment microwave ministry, like and share to someone that will love this recipe also. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe for Vlogmas Day 3. Thank you for watching till this time, guys. See you in my next video. You already know I love you all. Bye.